Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can enable or disable flashlight on your MAXCOM phone. So we got two methods. The first one, we have to rotate our phone and take a look for this flashlight button. So we have to click and hold it for a few seconds. When the screen is turned on, one more time, click and hold it. And as you can see, when I hold it for like 2 or 3 seconds, the flashlight is turned on. To turn it off, just click and hold it one more time. And as you can see right now, it's turned off. There's also a second method. We have to click on this arrow to open the menu. Then we have to keep scrolling to go to the function, application. Click OK to enter. Scroll down, select torch. And here we are able to turn it on or turn it off. As you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.